Water sport enthusiasts across the country are becoming increasingly aware of the many benefits that inflatable SUPs and inflatable kayaks have over their traditional hardtop counterparts. They're cheaper, take up less storage room, easier to transport, and arguably even more fun to use. So, if you're in the market for a stand-up paddleboard, there's no question that the inflatable variant should be a prime candidate. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best inflatable paddleboards, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best inflatable paddleboards from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Atoll 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard. The 11-foot inflatable SUP from Atoll fills you with confidence as soon as it's delivered. Not only is it an SUP that's manufactured by one of the biggest and best names on the market, but it is additionally packaged very well. This shows that they care about their products, and it is highlighted in every aspect of the design. This includes the choice of green and light blue color schemes, which both look great on the water. Made from military-grade PVC, the 6-thick board is perfect for virtually all paddling activities. Given its lightweight, you can either put it up before heading to the water or take the pump with you and do it once you get there. Pumping to the recommended 15 psi, courtesy of the pump that's included in the package, doesn't take long either. If taking the product in the carry bag, there's plenty of room for a life jacket and water shoes inside, which is a nice touch. Maneuvering the paddleboard is particularly easy, while the board stays steady on the water too. You can jump up to your feet and tilt your weight without worrying about the board flipping. Meanwhile, the light spring provided by the inflatable nature makes the board particularly comfortable underfoot without being so soft that your feet sink. A 3-piece aluminum paddle is included and uses a twist lock that allows you to retract or extend the telescoping handle to the desired size for smooth and comfortable traveling through the water. While it comes with a 2-year warranty, the fact that Atoll includes a repair kit for punctures enables you to hit the waters with immense confidence. Fun, safe, stable paddling awaits. Next on our list is the HydroForce White Cap Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. HydroForce's inflatable SUP and kayak boast a simple yet practical style that's particularly suited to newbies and infrequent users. While it can't match the weight limitations of more expensive options, the budget-friendly solution can provide hours of fun, while at just $4 white, it is a very lightweight product too. The board comes with an aluminium paddle that has a spare head, making it possible to switch to kayak mode in seconds. Likewise, the small boat can be inflated in around 5 minutes, enabling you to get out on the water in super fast times. Best of all, getting used to using the board including transitions is particularly easy and leaves newbies feeling like masters in no time. In addition to the sturdy feeling, the board is very buoyant and offers a smooth performance to rival any traditional board. The top deck is firm yet comfortable, regardless of whether you're seated or standing, even when you use it for several hours at a time. The biggest challenge comes from deflating the board. Once you've done it once, though, you'll find it quite easy going forward. Despite being catered primarily to beginners, the short yet stable and maneuverable inflatable SUP is great fun for more experienced users too. While it is best to stay away from harsher waters and weather conditions, this won't be an issue for most recreational users. For a versatile approach that gives you the options of paddleboarding or kayaking, this is the best option in this price bracket. This paddleboard is the least expensive on our list, so you can use the money you save on buying a waterproof camera to capture all of your paddleboarding adventures. Coming in at number 3 is the ROC Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboards. ROC's Inflatable SUP is another incredibly well-priced offering and is made from military-grade PVC materials. This, combined with the brand name, allows you to complete those adventures without any concerns about being let down in the big moments. They are capable of providing hours of fun on the waters, while the use of 3 fins under the board make it particularly stable and easy to maneuver, even if you're a beginner. At 32 wide, the 10.5 board is very stable indeed. Moreover, the top deck is particularly long, providing great comfort and a consistent feeling underfoot, while there is still space for 6D rings and bungee cords at the front end of the board. The leash is comfortable and prevents chafing, while the deck itself is very hard wearing, despite being very soft on your feet, knees, or buttocks. While the included paddle is nothing special, it works and will float if you drop it into the water. Whether you're a light user, a heavier person, or planning to go out on the water with your child or dog doesn't matter. The sturdy SUP is built with longevity in mind, while the fact it can be pumped up with ease even if you avoid the appeal of buying an additional electric pump prevents potential frustration. It also gives you the option to inflate the boat before you leave or once you reach the beach or wherever you're paddleboarding. The Rock inflatable SUPs are available in a choice of 4 colors: blue, black, pink, and green. Frankly, all of the designs look great, although the paddle and bag are best suited to the black style. For adults and children alike, the lightweight and secure paddleboard is a fantastic solution for those future explorations of the water. At number 4, we have the Serene Life Premium Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Serene Life Inflatable SUP has a premium feel, but a budget price. A choice of 4 bright colors, pink, blue, aqua, and pink, provide great choice, while the included carry bag and paddle are designed to match your chosen color too. Despite being built with enjoyment at the forefront of the company's attention, there's no doubt that this 10.5 SUP performs well too. Thanks to its wideness, the stability is excellent, even though it's a fairly short and inflatable SUP. This makes it ideal for beginners, while the use of D-rings at either end allow for several options regarding the installation of kayak seats or other accessories. This offers great versatility, especially if you plan to have several people or dogs on the board at any given time. However, the Serene Life paddleboard is equally appealing for advanced paddlers. It can be pumped up in a matter of minutes, making it ideal for frequent usage, while the top deck materials underneath your feet are soft yet firm, allowing you to enjoy hours on the water without a care in the world. If you do take on more challenging waves and fall off, getting back on the board is particularly easy too. The included aluminum paddle helps you navigate the water with ease, complementing the 3 fins under the board. Everything from performance to storage, for snorkels or other gear, creates a fun and accessible experience on the water. When combined with a great balance, this truly is a great entry-level inflatable SUP, not least thanks to the exceptional value for money it offers. Last, number 5, Nifian Inflatable SUP 10.6. The Nifian Inflatable SUP is an all-around inflatable paddleboard designed for beginners and recreational paddlers who want a portable board for lakes, rivers, or calm ocean water. It measures about 10 feet 6 inches long, 33 inches wide, and 6 inches thick, a size that balances stability and maneuverability for general paddling activities. The board is made from durable double-layer PVC with a drop-stitch core which makes it rigid when inflated, typically around 15 psi, while remaining lightweight and easy to transport. It weighs roughly 19 pounds and can support up to 450 pounds, making it capable of carrying an adult with gear, a child, or even a pet. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.